Jessica? Where are you, Jessica? Jessica? Oh, Jessica. Where are you? I'm right here. Jeez, shut up. I don't even want to hear you. I will use my flashlight eyes. What the hell? What? Yeah! Oh, frick you. I don't care. Dirty, dirty, dirt. Ha 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 ha. Da 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 da. I just feel like What the hell is he talking about? Gerald, shut the hell up! Normal. Bow! What? Okay.
Like a fire that burns so bright, I was day and you were night. Like a spark we were quick to ignite. Then you ask yourself, is it worth this fight? I loved you so much sometimes, baby, I felt like I couldn't breathe.